Well, hey everyone, Lisa here. Happy Saturday. Exciting news for you. We have some really exciting news for you. We have a new member to the Temp-tations team. Bryn, come on over.
Hi.
Bryn Edwards is going to be joining Tara and I on air.
Oh
my
wait.
gosh. We can't wait for you.
Thank
And
you.
we're going to see you Thursday morning.
Thursday morning is my debut, 4
And what
a.m.
time?
bright and early.
Oh, 4 a.m.
I know, yes,
Okay,
I can't
so
wait.
I want everybody, I know Tara does too. Tara Tesher is here. That's awesome. Hey, Tara, hey. I'm sure Ed will be joining any second.
Of course.
Anyway, so Tara, we're so excited for Bryn joining. Everybody give Bryn a big hello because we're so excited.
Oh, I can't wait to chat with you guys and meet you and share our Temptation stories together. It'll be
Right?
great. Yeah.
Exactly. So Tara's with us. She's actually going to be chiming in. She's not with us physically, but she's actually on the chat with all of you right now on Facebook Live. Yeah, Tara says, welcome, Bryn. And yeah, Lisa. Exactly. Terry Smith is here. Hey, Tara was here with me last night, too.
Awesome.
So,
Hi, Terry.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
So if you're wondering where we're standing
Oh, yes.
and what's behind us, so there's an area at QVC called The Find.
Yes.
And because, as you know, it is the 31 Days of Temptations. Maybe you didn't know. It's the 31 Days of Temptations all this August, right? Tara, how excited are you that it's the 31 Days of Temptations and that it has launched and started? So we started with 30 new items on August 1st.
And they're so cute.
And more to come, right?
Yeah.
So let me get back to the find.
Yes,
so
let's do it.
You stay with me. So the find is all about presenting and showcasing all of our new items to the QVC family, which we love. Hey, let's give some shout outs to Karen.
Hi, Karen.
Hi, Barbara. And Cheryl.
Hi,
And there's, I know,
Cheryl.
look at Tara. She's beyond excited. She's bursting. I get it. Okay, Brian Reagan, when will the towel and oven mitts be
The
presented?
question of the month so far.
It's towards the end of the month,
Yes,
right?
it is. I
Yeah.
know everyone's so excited for them.
Everyone's so excited. So we're going to take the camera off of us and we're going to flip this around, all right? And look at,
it
here we
out.
go. Look, so we're going to give you a sneak peek of what all the QVC employees are seeing. So we start out with our pitcher, our pedestal bowl. Here's the oven and towel set, the mitten towel
Yep.
set. Isn't that so cute, Brand?
I can't wait for this.
And it comes in some other seasonal figures, if you will.
Exactly.
And we have the pumpkin bakers and the minis. And Bryn, these come in different patterns too,
They
right?
do, yeah. So we can have fun with buffetti and then also go a little more classic.
I love that. And look at this. Look at our web shape platter
Oh my
right
gosh,
there.
My kids are so excited for these.
Are they?
Oh my gosh, can't wait.
Everybody has to share with us what their favorites are as we're going through them.
Yes,
okay, we're
please.
going to move over to, I almost think we need a drum roll.
I know, right?
Don't
I
we?
do a good drum roll.
Yeah.
It's a lot of pressure.
Exactly. Oh, Terry, we love the pumpkins too.
Oh, good.
Okay, so this is Lil Frankie.
He is making quite a splash.
It's kind of like enough said, isn't it?
I know,
He's
right?
the cutest thing. And wait till you see what our food stylists have done.
so creative.
I believe Lil Frankie's on Wednesday evening.
Yes.
So check it out because every Wednesday in the month of August, we have an hour show from 7 to 8 p.m. I'm going to switch over. Oh my gosh.
Harvest.
As much as I love summer, Bryn, I know you do too, and I know Tara does too. Tara, which you love it all? I know you can't pick a favorite. Look how adorable all of the fall themed items. Here's that other mitten
Yeah,
towel
look
set.
at that.
But that's in the pumpkin patch.
So sweet.
Abs-
Such a soft towel.
You know what I love about it? Oh, Frankie is wearing his buffetti t-shirt. I know, Tara. It's like so cute. I can't stand it. I just love we have everything like accessories, bowls, linens. Look at the little canisters up there. It's so many
Aren't you
things.
so ready to start decorating your house for fall?
Oh my
I get,
gosh.
Like a little taste of it and I'm ready.
Absolutely. And let's look at this. So, Tara Tesher, I know you have this launching tomorrow with David on In the Kitchen with David. Oh my gosh. And we styled a fantastic Thanksgiving
till
dinner
you
with
see
this.
it.
Wait till you see it. I know Tara loves the pumpkin patch too. Okay, we're going to kind of move around. You guys are really getting a good sneak peek here. Look at all of these gorgeous things. Up there, it's kind of a big deal. Just saying, maybe you want to check it out Monday night with Mary DeAngelis and Tara at 9 p.m. on QVC 2. And then, oh, are those wine glasses?
Sure are.
Oh, okay. Cheers. Cheers to the 31 Days of Temptations. We love that. I know, Tara, agree. Don't wait on that 7-piece set because, we brought in a lot of new, and as you know, we can't always bring in a lot of everything, so we're super excited. Then we have this awesome, and I apologize for the lighting because it's in some hutches, but there's that great carafe set right there. Isn't that so pretty? And I think those are 16-ounce
really nice size.
I love those because you can put them out, you can use them as vases, like so many different ideas. There's that 7-piece set that Tara is presenting tomorrow, all nested together.
Gorgeous.
Right?
I mean, that silhouette is just beautiful.
I love. And then we have that lighted pitcher, which I know is Bryn is like, I think this is your fave.
It's probably my favorite.
You think so?
And in every color and pattern that we have, so it's really exciting.
What do you love about it?
So it illuminates. So believe it or not, you can hold water or any liquids inside there totally safely, and then just with the flick of a switch on the bottom, it illuminates and you can see the light through all of those little piercings.
So I can literally put like sangria in there and it still lights up.
Isn't that neat?
It's amazing. It's amazing. All right, should we share some Christmas stuff over here? Okay, so over here we have some of those specialty pieces that we know that you love, all right? And then we just have to pause right here. This is our pedestal set, and look how cute these little characters are.
Not only are they functional ornaments, but you can put your place cards right in there, so you can have one at every spot at your table for all of your guests.
I love that. And can you hold up our new guy? This is our reindeer, and I love this because we named him Wembley. When I say we mean at Temptationista.
Yeah.
Absolutely think this is so adorable. Hey, and if you're wondering who's talking here, it's Lisa and a new member of the Temp-tations family, Bryn, and Tara is on chatting with us as well. Here's that kind of big deal.
Awesome.
Love that, don't you? And the poinsettia. So for those of you who've been wanting poinsettia, don't miss out. Okay, should we go over to our holiday table? All right, look at this. How gorgeous is this beautiful new Christmas dinnerware? Thank you, Bryn.
Inside and out. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that
just so delicate and gorgeous?
So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. I know. I love everybody. Terry, Jeannie, Angela, Marianne. I know, right? Everything's just so great. Even our little app set. I love that Tara does the cardinal in honor of her father, George. And look how gorgeous that is. Absolutely beautiful. I know. I'm getting a lot of OMGs.
That's a good sign.
We get it. Then we're going to come
feel
on.
the same way.
We feel the same way. Hey, Tara, look at this. This dinnerware set that you designed is beyond. First of all, the plate says Merry Christmas. Then we have the beautiful present shape. And then look what Bryn is holding over here.
Look at these bowls. With our little Wembley.
And
then the snowflakes on the inside. It's just, there's something so visually fun about every single piece in the set.
Totally agree with you. And then you've been asking for utensils. We have them in the stainless steel with the silicone. We also have them in the bamboo.
Yep.
So we're going to go over here. I'm going to quickly go over here. Tara loves reindeer games. Oh, hello, Snowman.
He's friends with little Frankie.
He is friends with little Frankie. They're cousins, right? Look at these set of 3 trays with those beautiful, iconic themes. And then, Bryn, talk about that pie plate.
I love the pie plate. To me, this is so nostalgic. It brings back so many memories of childhoods where you would kind of bring out that one piece over and over again every year.
Yeah.
So you add this to your collection, and you will have this out, for generations.
And I love that. And Tara designed a lot of limited editions for this month. So that means we'll never make them again. Hey, here's what you were talking about.
Yep.
That utensil set that has the wood and the silicone.
And look how sweet, our 5-dot flower on each of them. So darling.
That is awesome. Hey, first of all, thank you to all of you for hanging out with us on a Saturday and checking everything out. Tara Tescher's with us, Lisa Lasort here, and I know you can't see us. This is Bryn Edwards, a new member to our team. And yes, linens, you've been asking for them.
So fantastic.
And here they are. And by the way, look, they all have these cute little sayings.
So sweet. And the softest microfiber I've ever felt, honestly.
Isn't that amazing?
Just gorgeous.
Look, and the beautiful colors.
Yep.
Okay, now, I have to go buy something. I don't want to make you seasick, as Tara always says. With the camera, you have to be a little careful with these phones. What is that?
Gorgeous.
Absolutely gorgeous. It's our metallic clock. We know how much you love the clocks, but check that out. Isn't that amazing? All right, I think
and
we
year
have...
round, really.
Right, a few more things to show. I'm going to bring you over right here. By the way, look over there. That's where the Starbucks is at QVC. we live there a lot when we're here. But look at these loaf pans right here. Now these are going to be debuting on Wednesday as well.
Yes.
But
With
can you
their
just
gift
turn?
boxes.
Look at the gift box.
Isn't that great?
What do you think?
Love.
What do you guys all think? Do you
To,
love the
from,
gift box?
good to go.
So Tara took a lot of time to design this gift box, and I know when she designed it, what's awesome about it is that it's seasonless,
Oh, yeah,
right?
totally.
You can, with that beautiful neutral color.
Completely agree.
So here are the 4 classics. There's the Old World and the Floral Lace Mix.
So pretty.
Isn't that so pretty? So I think that's kind of the end of our sneak. Well, that was a good sneak
That was a
peek,
good
wasn't
sneak
it?
peek.
All right, so Bryn and I are going to come back to you. We're going to show you. Look at this, Bryn. Everybody's asking, so come on over here with me. We'll put it in the background.
Perfect.
Look how beautiful that table is. So we have to go back to being on air.
Yes.
I think Mary
Yes, we're
DeAngelis
multitasking today.
might be looking for us, but let's give a big shout out to Tara Tesher and to Ed Tesher who are joining us. I know, we miss you, Tara, but you're going to be here tomorrow with David Venable. Shout out to Ed, exactly. Everybody give Ed some love. And look, this is Bryn.
So nice to meet you all.
Yeah, so Bryn makes your debut. When is it?
Thursday morning, bright and early at 4 a.m. And I can't wait. I can't wait to meet all of you and share Temp-tations together.
Exactly. So you're going to be seeing a lot more of Bryn. So we look forward to seeing all of you. So we are on today.
We are.
With Mary.
We're here at QVC right now. I see some people asking. We are literally in the QVC building and
are.
showing you what they call the find.
Yes.
So we have this whole room for Temp-tations this month because it's such a special month for us. And we're going back to the studio.
We are going back to the studio, and then Tara's here tomorrow with David.
Yes.
And then Monday night, we're on QVC with kind of a big deal. We have an hour show at 9 p.m., and then we have an hour show Tuesday at noon, and then we are in a cooking show at 3 p.m.
Yep.
And then another hour show Tuesday night at 8 p.m. Wait, I'm not done. Then we have an hour show Wednesday night at 7 p.m. And then Tara is with David again in 8 p.m. So, wow. There's Ed Tesher, and gratitude and love to you, Ed. We all love you. And Rosalia's here. Isn't it great? You see this community?
This is so welcoming. I love it.
Isn't it
It's fantastic. I could do this all day long.
Right, exactly. Well, we're going to let you go and enjoy your Saturday, but hopefully this was very helpful to you. If you have any questions, they can always pop on our Facebook page and ask us your questions, and we'll answer them as quickly as we can. But everybody have a great day.
Yes,
And
happy
again,
Saturday. Happy
welcome,
weekend.
welcome to Bryn, and bye-bye,
you.
Tara and Ed. Bye,
Bye.
everybody.